Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of chapter 1 of geography, which is human geography, nature and scope. Before I start, I would like to request you all to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first question is, who described geography as a synthetic study of relationships between human societies and Earth's surface? E.C. Sample, Paul Vidal de la Black, Ratzel, none. So the correct answer is C. Ratzel. Which of the following is not studied in human geography? Physical laws of nature, human societies, relationship between humans and nature, human cultures. The correct answer is A. Geography emphasizes on study of humans and nature, study of nature, or none. Correct answer is B. Study of humans and nature. Who described the state or country as a living organism? French geographers, American geographers, Dutch geographers, or German geographers. Correct answer is D. German geographers. Which of the following are not described as the arteries of circulation? Roads, railways, buildings, waterways. The correct answer is C. Buildings. Question 6. Which of the following is not an example of dualism in geography? Nomothetic versus idiographic, synthetic versus dynamic, regional approach versus systematic approach, or theoretical interpretation versus interpretation through historical institutional approach. Correct answer is B. Synthetic versus dynamic. Question number 7. Who emphasized the dynamism in relationship between humans and environment while describing human geography? E.C. Sample, Ratzel, Paul Vidal de la Black, Karl Marx. Correct answer is A. E.C. Sample. Question 8. Which of the following is an element created by humans? Villages, natural vegetation, climate, or landforms? The correct answer is A. Villages. Which of the following is not an element of physical environment? Soils, water, farms, or climate? The correct answer is C. Farms. Has nature modified human beings? True or false? Correct answer is true. Question 11. Which of the following theory emphasizes nature's supremacy over man? Environmental determinism, possibilism, neo-determinism, or none? Correct answer is A. Environmental determinism. Question 12. Which of the following indicates the level of cultural development of humans? Possibilism, technology, neo-determinism, or approach of human geography? Correct answer is B. Technology. Which of the following discovery was impossible without the knowledge of friction and heat? Aeroplane, engine, furnace, or fire? Correct answer is D. Fire. Which type of knowledge is extremely important to develop technology? Knowledge about nature, knowledge about minerals, knowledge about metals, or all of these? Correct answer is A. Knowledge about nature. Question 15. What is the other name for naturalization of humans? possibilism, humanization of nature, environmental determinism, or none of these? Correct answer is C. Environmental determinism. Question 16. According to Dash, man is a product of the Earth's surface. Ratzel, Alan C. Sample, Paul Vidal de la Black, or Griffith Taylor? Correct answer is B. Alan C. Sample. Which of the following theory advocates nature's supremacy over man? Environmental determinism, neo-determinism, naturalisation of humans, or both A and C? So the correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question 18. Abujh Maad is an area in South India, Central India, Northeast India, or North India? So the correct answer is B. Central India. Which of the following helps humans to lose the shackles of environment? Possibilism, technology, neo-determinism, or both A and C? Correct answer is B. Technology. Why is nature Mother Nature for primitive societies? Because of direct dependence on nature, because they are afraid of nature's fury, because nature is superior to man, or all of the above? So the correct answer is A. Because of direct dependence on nature. What is another name for humanization of nature? Environmental determinism, possibilism, neo-determinism, or stop and go determinism? So the correct answer is B. Possibilism. Question 22. Which of the following is not an example of humanization of nature? Resorts on highlands, ports on coasts, worshipping nature, satellites in space? So the correct answer is C. Worshipping nature. Question 23. Who introduced a concept that reflects a middle path between the two ideas of environmental determinism and possibilism? E.C. Sample, Griffith Taylor, Paul Vidal de la Black, or Ratzel? So the correct answer is B. Griffith Taylor. Which of the following theory represents a state of absolute necessity? Environmental determinism, possibilism, neo-determinism, or both A and C? So the correct answer is A. Environmental determinism. Question 25. Which theory focuses on the state of absolute freedom? Environmental determinism, neo-determinism, stop and go determinism, or possibilism? So the correct answer is D. Possibilism. Question 26. Which of the following is not a result of the free run that was adopted by the developed countries of present time? Afforestation, global warming, receding glaciers, or land degradation? So the correct answer is A. Afforestation. Question 27. Which of the following marked the beginning of adaptation, adjustment, and modification of environment by humans? Modernization, colonialism, regional analysis, or emergence of humans? So the correct answer is D. Emergence of humans. Who used to disseminate information about different areas in earlier times? Physicians, travelers and explorers, rulers and their armies, or none of these? So the correct answer is B. Travelers and explorers. Question 29. When did the mysteries about different countries start to open up? Early 16th century, 15th century, late 15th century, or mid 1920s? So the correct answer is C, late 15th century. Exploration and description was an approach in 1930s through the interwar period, later colonial period, early colonial period, or 1970s. So the correct answer is C, early colonial period. Elaborate description of all aspects of a region was a broad feature in early colonial period, later colonial period, 1930s, or 1990s. So the correct answer is B, later colonial period. Post-modernism in geography came in 1990s, 1970s, late 1950s to the late 1960s, or later colonial period. So the correct answer is A, 1990s. When did the humanistic, radical and behavioral schools of thought emerge in human geography? 1990s, 1970s, early colonial period, late 1950s to late 1960s. So the correct answer is B, 1970s. When did human geography focus on identifying the uniqueness of any region? Early colonial period, later colonial period, 1930s through the interwar period, late 1950s to the late 1960s. So the correct answer is C, 1930s through the interwar period. Which period marked the use of computer and sophisticated statistical tools? Early colonial period, later colonial period, 1930s through the interwar period, or late 1950s to the late 1960s. So the correct answer is D. Which school of thought employed Maxian theory? Welfare, humanistic, radical, or behavioral? So the correct answer is C, radical. Which school of thought laid great emphasis on lived experience? Welfare, humanistic, radical, or behavioral? So the correct answer is D, behavioral. Which school of thought included aspects such as housing, health, and education? Welfare, humanistic, radical, or both A and B? So the correct answer is D, both A and B. In which period was the approach of spatial organization adopted? Early colonial period, later colonial period, 1930s through the interwar period, late 1950s to the late 1960s. So the correct answer is D. What is the main reason for contemporary social problems according to the radical school of thought? Modernization, capitalism, social differentiation, or none of these? So the correct answer is B, capitalism. When was human geography made relevant to the socio-political reality? 1970s, 1990s, 2000s, late 1950s to the late 1960s. So the correct answer is A, 1970s. What preceded the discontentment with quantitative revolution? Use of computers, Post-modernism, emergence of three different schools, dehumanized manner. So the correct answer is C, emergence of three different schools. The discovery and exploration of new areas was prompted by curiosity, imperial and trade interests, voyages, or exploration. So the correct answer is B, imperial and trade interests. Which of the following is a subfield of human geography? Cultural geography, electoral geography, geography of agriculture, or geography of tourism? So the correct answer is A, cultural geography. Which of the following is not a subfield of economic geography? Geography of resources, geography of industries, geography of tourism, behavioral geography. So the correct answer is D, behavioral geography. Geography of resources is associated with industrial economics, resource economics, international trade, or welfare economics. So the correct answer is B, resource economics. Electoral geography is a subfield of political geography, settlement geography, nationality geography, or behavioral geography. So the correct answer is A, political geography. Cultural geography is a subfield of urban geography, regional geography, religious geography, or social geography. So the correct answer is D, social geography. Medical geography has interface with anthropology, economic geography, epidemiology, or psychology. So the correct answer is C, epidemiology. Gender geography does not have an interface with sociology, anthropology, psephology, or women's studies. Correct answer is C. Which of the following is not an approach in human geography? Regional analysis, quantitative revolution, spatial organization, or areal differentiation? So the correct answer is B, quantitative revolution. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked this video then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel Krishna Classopedia.